Hey, this is going to be a quick Unreal tutorial. I thought I'd make this because I didn't even know it existed. So here you are. You got like 1,200 different audio files, and you want to make the same change to all of them. Luckily, Unreal has a tool for this. Select all the assets you want to change, right-click them, scroll up to Asset Actions, and then inside of that you'll find a bulk edit via property matrix. Click that. And then you'll see all the files that you selected. So in order to make the change to all of them, you got to shift select them again and then make the change on the right. In this case, I want to pick a sound class. So I'm going to go over here to this grid icon where it says pick asset, and then I'm going to pick the class that I want. You'll see that it made the change to all of them. And now we have these stars on the left. So to apply the change, just go to File and Save, and that's it. You'll see now that these have the announcer as their sound class. Thank you for watching.